Social media marketing. What's the buzz? Okay, picture this. You're telling everyone about this amazing new smoothie place. That's kind of like social media marketing. You're spreading the word about a business, but online. It's all about using platforms like Facebook and Instagram to connect with potential customers. Think of it as chatting with your friends. But instead of gossiping about the latest dating drama, you're sharing cool stuff about a brand. You're posting fun pictures, maybe even a video or two, and you're answering questions. The goal? Get people excited. Make them want to try that new smoothie place or whatever it is you're promoting. It's not just about selling, though. It's about building relationships. It's about creating a community around a brand. So, why is social media marketing so important? Let me break it down for you. First of all, everyone's on social media these days. Literally everyone. Your grandma, your neighbor's dog, that guy you went to high school with who now sells essential oils online. It's where people are spending their time. And guess what? They're looking for businesses like yours. Social media gives you a chance to reach a whole new audience, people you might never have been able to connect with otherwise. Plus, it's a great way to build relationships. You can chat with your customers, answer their questions, and get feedback. It's like having a focus group at your fingertips. And the best part? It's way more affordable than traditional advertising. You don't need a huge budget to get started. You just need a phone and a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so you're ready to dive into the world of social media marketing. But where do you even begin? Don't worry, I got you. First up, we've got Facebook. It's like the granddaddy of social media. Everyone and their mother, literally, is on Facebook. It's a great place to share news, updates, and behind-the-scenes content. Then there's Instagram. It's all about the visuals here. Think stunning photos, eye-catching graphics, and those addictive reels. If your business is all about aesthetics, Instagram is your jam. Don't forget about Twitter. It's perfect for sharing quick updates, joining trending conversations, and showing off your brand's personality. Just be prepared for the occasional Twitter war. And then there's TikTok. It's the new kid on the block, but it's taking the world by storm. If you can create short, engaging videos, TikTok is where it's at. Section 4. Winning at social media, your cheat sheet. All right, here are a few tips to help you rock your social media game. First things first, know your audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are they interested in? Once you know who you're talking to, you can create content that they'll actually want to see. And speaking of content, make it good. Nobody wants to see boring, generic posts. Get creative. Use humor. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses. And don't be afraid to show off your personality. Consistency is key. You can't just post once a month and expect to see results. You need to be active and engaged. Think of it like watering a plant. You gotta do it regularly if you want it to grow. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, answer questions, and run contests and giveaways. Make people feel like they're part of a community. Section 5. Social media. It's not a trend, it's here to stay. Social media is here to stay, people. It's not just a fad. It's become an integral part of our lives, and it's only going to get bigger and more important. If you're not using social media to market your business, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. It's a chance to connect with your customers, build relationships, and grow your business. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start socializing.